So if you remotely know me, you know that I freaking love lights. She is my favorite artist. I look up to her. I just love her. I've been to 3 or 4 of her concerts, and I even met her once by chance while I was at work, and it was the best day of my life. And she came out with a comic album crossover type thing, which if you haven't listened to it yet, I kind of held off on buying the comics, but I'm so glad I did now because she released it in a hard copy form, all in one book, and it's right here. I'm really excited to open it. So let's get started. Let's take this plastic off. How do I do that? So this is what it looks like. I pre-ordered it on Amazon and it's supposed to come signed. So let's look for that. Oh, there it is. There's her signature right over there. Oh, so pretty. I like the inside right here. There's got, how do I English? It has all of those symbols about lights. Playboy. I wanted to take off the cover though. Love the pastel colors. Flip through it a little bit. Each chapter corresponds with one of the songs in her album, so you can kind of like listen to it in order. And it's just super cool. So yeah, I'm gonna go reread this because I've already read it when it came out before. Now I have it in hard copy and it's beautiful and I love it. And yeah. So if you're a fan and you love her as much as I do, leave me a comment and we can gush over her. Okay, bye.